There are more than 11,000 cryptocurrencies on the market currently available. It's not easy to know which cryptocurrency will be successful in a long time. A lot of cryptocurrencies fail due to a lack of effective business plans. Therefore, the cryptocurrency most likely to be successful long-term is those that have good leadership and solid business plan and credible long-term visions. So, in this video, we're going over the top 5 potential cryptocurrencies to invest in right now for the end of 2021. So, let's get started. If you're also curious about which crypto I need to buy right now, you're gonna want to watch this video, as these coins have some serious potential in the future. So, hit that like button, make sure you're subscribed, and turn on that notification bell, as you're not gonna want to miss videos like this in order to help you. Before we go on to the detailed list of cryptocurrencies with the potential to have more promising futures, it's worth discussing the main reasons there are no defined method to determine which is the most effective out of the bunch. A few of the factors that influence the future of cryptocurrency are 1. The rate of adoption, 2. Its competitors, 3. There are plans for updates to be made shortly, and 4. Perception of the investor. Let's move on with the 5 top cryptocurrencies that are the best potential runners and will through their peak near future. I have done research, and this is my list of the best crypto coins to look into. So, starting off with number 5, Polkadot or DOT. Polkadot is a network of blockchains of the parachain type. It includes several blockchains, each with its own function. However, they all operate together. Like Ethereum, Polkadot also permits its developers to develop smart contracts and apps. It also has relay chains that allow the dApps to collaborate with different blockchain networks. This means that the transfer of funds among blockchains is relatively easy. Furthermore, Polkadot also boasts the greatest potential for speedy transactions, which is more than 150,000, making it more scalable and fast. Investors are ecstatic about Polkadot because it has the ability to communicate with Ethereum and different networks. However, in October of 2021, the cost of Polkadot was $42.49. That isn't quite good, but many experts are confident about the future prospects of Polkadot will go up to $50 within 6 months into 2022. So, next up, we have Cardano at number 4 on the list. Cardano was established in 2015 by Charles Hoskinson, who is one of the co-founders of Ethereum. It is the 3rd generation of cryptocurrency. Cardano decided to design a whole new blockchain mechanism instead of upgrading the issues of security, scalability, and consumption of energy. It's intended to be more efficient and more durable right from the beginning. Cardano is currently in the 5th position in the market for cryptocurrency as per CoinMarketCap. Cardano is famous for processing more than 250 transactions at a time with efficiency. This makes it one of the most popular cryptocurrencies to invest in today to reach huge advantages in 2022. Let's move forward with very exciting fun facts about Cardano. Number 1. Cardano's token is named after the world's first computer programmer. Number 2. It uses a fraction of the energy of Ethereum or Bitcoin. Number 3. Cardano has been in the top 10 cryptos since it has launched. If you're interested to know some more amazing facts about Cardano, leave a comment below. We have another potential runner cryptocurrency for investors. It's Solana. Solana is among the top cryptocurrency for massive gains in 2021 digital wallets of crypto investors. It is a highly quick, efficient, and censorship-resistant blockchain technology that is suitable for worldwide adoption. Solana blockchain is all about integrating smart contracts and permitting developers to create decentralized applications or dApps. Solana uses Proof of History protocol, which establishes the events as being true without the need for authenticators to communicate with one another, significantly increasing the speed at that transactions are processed. Solana can handle more than 50,000 transactions in a second. In October of 2021, Solana's price was worth $197.21, and now it is $230. The cost of SOL is anticipated to reach $500 by the end of 2021. Next up, we have Ethereum at number 2 on the list. Ethereum is one of the most prominent cryptocurrencies after Bitcoin, and it is the second largest crypto by market cap. The creator of Ethereum is the crypto visionary Vitalik Buterin. His project has drawn a large group of developers and coders. The network is built on blockchain technology and the cryptocurrency known as Ether or ETH. The currency used here is one of the most popular alternatives due to its smart contract capabilities. Ethereum is based on the standard ERC20 token and the decentralized technology. You can find a variety of applications for Ethereum. The majority of apps, such as security tokens and smart contracts and many other services, require Ethereum in order to function in the blockchain. The predictions for Ethereum in 2021 are too high. According to Digital Coin Price, the price of ETH is anticipated to reach $5,000 by the end of 2021, which represents an increase of 56% over the current price of $4,360.20. This gives the confidence that the company is able to achieve bigger upgrades in the near future. Now, we have last but not least, the potential coin on the list is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that is minted through a rewarding process called mining, a revolutionary step away from central banks or single administrators. Bitcoin was the first and to this day still the biggest cryptocurrency in the market that helped people realize the potential of cryptocurrencies and decentralized finance. So right now, Bitcoin is trending at just under 60,000, and we can see that the total market cap for Bitcoin is about $1.12 trillion. The trending volume is down 23.68 over the last 24 hours, up to $25 billion. And right now, we can see that the circulating supply of Bitcoin is about 18.87 million coins, which is very close to the maximum supply of 21 million coins. So just a few days ago, Bitcoin hit a new all-time high of over 68,000 in value. And in the grand history of the cryptocurrency, Bitcoin has risen from an original price of practically $0 to a current peak of almost 70,000. All in just the span of a little over 10 years. That's absolutely crazy to think about, because no other asset has ever grown the way Bitcoin has. Hey, if you enjoyed the video, please make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel Brainy Peach for more videos. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, goodbye.